Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading Sesame Street. Good night, Sesame Street. So, let's get started. It's night time on Sesame Street and Elmo is ready for bed. He snuggles up with baby David. "Sleep tight, baby David," says Elmo right before he closes his little monster eyes. What do you do before you go to sleep? Before Ernie goes to sleep, he takes a bath. He likes bubble baths the best. I like to be squeaky clean when I get in bed, says Ernie. What's that, Rubber Ducky? You like to squeak too? Before Bert goes to sleep, he brushes his teeth very carefully. Cleaning your teeth is important, Bert says with a gurgle and a swish. And so is spitting into the sink. Before Super Grover goes to sleep, he puts on his super jammies. These super jammies are super cozy, says Super Grover, and my cape makes a snuggly blanket. Before Zoe goes to sleep, she reads her favorite story. My favorite story is about a ballerina. She says, I dream of being a dancer. Before Big Bird goes to sleep, he pulls up his blanket, snug and cozy. He remembers what his granny bird always says. When your blanket meets your chin, then you're all tucked in. Before the couch goes to sleep, he turns off his light. And before I turn off my light, I always count my bats, says the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bats. Lights out. The end. Bye.